Hello children, today let us do a very interesting exercise. I'm going to give you a lot of pictures over here and you're going to do some matching. And in that you're going to find the pair. Lots of pictures will be there and you're going to look and you're going to pair the pictures correctly. It's a very interesting exercise. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's look at our first set of pictures. Yes, in finding the pairs. Let's first see what are the things we have over here. We have a lock here. We have a table here. And what is this? Yes, good. It's a ball. And the last one there, pencil, good. And here, bat. And this one, key, very good. This, chair. And the last one here, eraser, very good. So you know to touch and say what picture it is. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pictures. Yes? Let's look at each one and find the correct pair. Yes? Now, first one is lock. Where do you put the lock? On the door, on the gate. Yes, lock. Tell me the pair. Find the pair. Can we say lock and bat? No. Lock and table? No. What is the correct pair? You tell me. Good. Lock and key. Lock and key. You need a key to open the lock. Yes, the lock is pressed. You have to have the key to open. So, the first pair in this lot is lock and key. Very good. So, we found the first pair. Now, let's take another look at what the next one shall we take? Shall we take a table? Table. What can be matched with the table, children? Table and? Very good. You have to have the table and you need something to sit on. Table and chair. Very good. So you have lock and key, table and chair. What shall we take next? Shall we take the bat? Yes, bat. We take the bat and put it here. What is the pair for the bat, children? Look, bat and ball. Very good. Bat and ball. Excellent. And then what is left with? We are left with only 2. So we found lock and key, table and chair, bat and ball. Are you enjoying the exercise? Good. Now shall we look at our last pair? The 2 pictures that are left over are pencil and eraser. Why are they matching? Tell me. You write with the pencil. If you make a mistake, you take the eraser and you rub it off. Erase the wrong what you've written. So, pencil, we put it here and eraser. Pencil and eraser. Now look, the full all pairs are complete. Lock and key, table and chair, bat and ball, pencil and eraser. Very good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. We learned to find the pair from the pictures given. Let us do another exercise and sharpen our brain. Look and match. Find the pair. Good. Let's take the first picture. Let's look at what all we have here first. We have a little boy here. We have a little red hen. We have a square shape. We have number 3 here. You have a triangle over here. You have number 4 here. There's a little girl here and an egg here. What is the question? Find the pair for each of these. Good. Let's go to the first one. We have a little boy here. So we take and put him down here. Boy. Boy can be matched with boy and hen. 4? No. Boy and good. Boys and girls. Boy and girl. So you have the matching boy and girl. Is it interesting? Good. Let's take the next one. Okay? So boy and girl is the correct match. Now, what is this? Little brown hen. What does she do? What does she give you? She gives you egg every day. So you take the little brown hen. Hen and egg. Yes, hen and egg. So you take the hen, put it here. Take this egg and put it here. We can match the hen with the egg because hen gives us egg and egg every day. You love to eat egg? Yes. So hen and egg. So we found two pairs. Girl and boy, hen and egg. What shall we take next, children? Yes. Shall we take the shape? Yes. Let's look at the shape we have here. The first shape here is a square. What can we match the square with? We can match the square with a rectangle. Good. So we circle the square. Next we take the triangle. Square and triangle. 4 sides, 3 sides. Both are shapes. So we take the square, we take the triangle, and we say they are matching. Both the shapes are together. Finally, what is left, children? Numbers are left. Number 3 and number 4. Finally, what is left? Numbers. So the next is looking at numbers. Let's find the pair for number 3, 4, or 4 and 3, or 3 and 4. So we take the 3 and we take the 4, and that is the pair. Now we have found the pair for all. Let's look at it. Boy and girl, hen and egg, square and triangle, number 3 and number 4. The numbers together. So we found the pairs for each of these pictures. Is it an interesting exercise?